Okay. What did Pythagoras discover?
A theorem.
A square plus B square equals to C square. Or, I don't remember by the formula. I remember by what is it about. So, Pythagoras said that in a right angle triangle, the longest side square is always equals to the other two sides square added together. Okay? So that is, if you already know it is a right angle triangle. Okay? But for this topic, when we talk about the converse means they never tell you have a right angle triangle. Okay? So you see this one. They never tell you right angle. They never tell you this is right angle. They want you to go and prove or identify, is this a right angle triangle? Okay? So, Pythagoras say, if longest side square equals to these two sides square add together, it is going to be a right angle triangle. So the working is very standard. Let me go and find one to show you. You all did all this already?
Yeah.
Question 4?
Yeah.
Question 5?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Question 6? No. Skip. So behind one done already.
That one do already, I think.
Okay, review exercise also do already.
Not everything.
Not everything.
I think that one only. No. One.
Wow. Okay, never mind. Then we look at question 6. Huh?
Do already what?
Do already. Okay. Okay, in this question, PQR is a triangle. You don't know if it's a right angle triangle yet. They never tell you this is a right angle triangle. Okay? But they tell you the area of the triangle PQR is 10.71. Then they ask you to calculate the perpendicular distance H from P to QR. P to QR, meaning if I draw a line, I don't know whether R is 90 degree or not. But if I draw a line that is 90 degree, base times height, I call this blue color line H, the distance H. I don't know whether it is PR or not. Okay? But I know H times base times half will give me my area. Okay? Like that, I can find the distance H already. I write down half times base times height equals to 10.71 area. Half times base times height will give me the area. And the area is 10.71. I already know the base, 6.3. Okay? So I can put in 6.3. Can I find H?
Maybe so. I don't understand the half base times height. Like, where is the height from?
Height is the perpendicular distance from P to QR. Even if I have like that, a triangle like that,
Yeah.
if this is my base, if I know this will be the height. This is the height. I can find the area of this triangle, half times base times height. The height don't need to be inside the base.
Thank you, baby.
What is 10.71 divided by 3.15?
12
3.4.
Yeah, like 12. We give Papa. We think about like. No, it's the wicket or wicket locking. Locking. Wicket lock and block. You are ready. What are you seeing? Yeah.
3.4. Top corner.
I think also. Hey, after you go and sleep, right? Hey, after you eat already, right?
Okay. Now I have this distance 7.4. I have this 6.3. And then I have the height. But the problem now is I don't know if this height falls on PR or not. Okay? It could be what is happening here could be like that.
Don't put the height in the. What?
Okay? It could also be like that. My height is actually inside. Then my 6.3 is this thing. 7.4 is here. Okay? But if my PR is really directly like that, then my 6.3, 7.4 and 3.4, they will just nice form a right angle triangle. So now I don't know whether it is like that or is it like that.
Like that, ma? Put the drawing here.
So to check, I go and check these three values. Will they form a right angle triangle or not? How do I check whether three sides form a right angle triangle? I write here. What is the longer side? 7.4. I will write down 7.4 square PQ.
So, do you know that enough space there?
Hmm?
Not enough space, ah?
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Y'all got space, you're right. I got no space. My handwriting big. When I want to say something is right angle triangle or not, I don't go and write the equation a square equals to b square plus c square. Don't. You write that one down, you wrong already.
Shit.
Okay? You always start by longer side, PQ. Then I write PQ square. Then I go and press calculator. What is 7.4 square?
Curious. I didn't ask.
Okay? Then I go and find the other two shorter side. Go and square them and add them together. $54.76.
QR is 6.3. Plus 3.4.
Okay? I don't go and write them together. I don't go and write the three sides. A square equals to B square plus C square. Or longer side square equals to the other two side square add together. Cannot. Once you start with that line, your whole question wrong already. You find them individually. Take the longer side, go and square. Find out what is the number. Take the other two sides, go and square, then add them up. Then find out what is that number. Okay?
What's the exercise? Do you see?
Yes. Are you following?
I'm not following. I'm alright.
You have to find them individually. Longer side square is how much? The other two shorter side square add together is how much? Then you compare the number. If the numbers are the same, you say it is a right angle triangle. Then when you see the numbers are different, you say not right angle triangle. Okay?
Okay.
So in this case, the three dimensions don't form a right angle triangle. So it is not this one. If it is this one, your 3.4 is really the height. Then it will form a right angle triangle already. So now, your height is either outside or your height is inside.
Mr. Ong, what is the difference?
What is the difference?
Yeah, like one is inside, one outside. Did it end up they both the same thing?
Could be lah, I don't know. Okay? But I am very sure it is not this one. Because if it is this one, your sides already give you that is a right angle triangle. Okay, so PQR is not a right angle triangle. Can? The most important point is write the value separately. Who want to go out? No, you all choose one. Let you all decide yourself. Aurel, Tiara, who go out? Don't want both go out. No, copy from outside. Bring your workbook. One at the front, one at the back. Okay, then we are done with chapter 10. Chapter 11. Okay, now we want to go into mensuration. It is spelled mensuration. Yes, there is an N. Why?
It was so complex and complicated.
Okay. The first one. The first thing that we want to talk about is volume of a pyramid. So what does a pyramid look like? You all see pyramid before.
Like pyramid pizza. Is that elephant scheme? Yeah, correct.
A pyramid can have a square base, and then you imagine from a base,
The triangle, right?
you go higher and higher, but as you go higher, the top becomes sharpened, become a sharp tip. This is called a pyramid. Okay, Ken?
It is triangles, right?
There are 4 triangles at the side.
It's always 4, right?
No, you can have a triangle base, then every side go up. Then you will have 3 triangles, and then the base is a triangle.
So there's 2 periods. Only, right?
You can have more also, what? Yeah.
Oh, we can have more.
Okay? But now let's talk about the square base pyramid. Okay? What is the area of a square base pyramid?
Height and length.
Square. If I have a square base pyramid, the square. So my base is a square. This side will be the same as this side. The length and the breadth, they are the same. Okay? Then another thing used to describe the height of the pyramid, how tall the pyramid is H.
Wait, we don't. Is it the same thing? Like triangle is length times breadth times height. Is it the same thing here?
Length times breadth times height is a volume of a cube.
Oh, wait, a half times length. Half height. Yeah. Is it the same thing here?
I want to come to that. Imagine this is a pyramid. If I use the same dimension, square base also, then the height is like that. So now instead of having a pyramid, if I have a cuboid, meaning like that, like that, like that, which one will take up more space? Which one will have a bigger volume?
Cuboid. Cuboid.
All can tell which one will take up a bigger space or which one is bigger.
Cuboid.
Everyone can see it's a cuboid.
Only you.
Okay? Then all of you know how to find the volume of the cuboid, right?
Yeah.
In this case, it will be length times breadth times height, or x squared times h. Follow so far? So, pyramid is smaller. And how much smaller? Pyramid, you link it with what shape?
Triangle.
Triangle is what number?
3.
So 3. 3 is correct. 3, then it is smaller. So how much smaller?
Yeah, 3 times smaller, you 1/3 nigga.
3 times smaller is 1/3 of everything.
3 times smaller.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is how we link what we know very simply. Pyramid always link with triangle, triangle 3. So the volume of this pyramid is just 1/3 the volume of this cuboid formed by the same dimensions. Okay? Remember like that, very easy to remember one. Can? Okay. 1/3. Then after that you multiply take it as a cuboid like that. In this case, for part A, I think from the drawing look a bit more difficult to tell, but they are trying to tell you that like that one. If I look from one side, this time the base is not a square base, the base is a triangle. So there are 3 sides. If I look from this side, I can see V, I can see B, I can see C. If I look from this side.
Yeah.
Okay? There is a right angle triangle. Then BC is the base. BV is the height. If I look from this side, what I see will be V, B, A.
Yeah. Then from above,
From above, actually, I will see like that.
A, B, C, right?
V, A, C. From above.
I thought you
V also is B lah. V is on top of B.
Oh, okay.
Okay? But end of the day, the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 of the volume if it is formed to become like a cuboid like that. So in this case, what is the base? The base is a right angle triangle. The base area is half times 8 times 5.
20,
If I look from the top,
20, 20.
here is 8, here is a right angle, here is 5.
20.
Okay?
No, you shouldn't.
That's why they say so loudly.
No. You bugging us.
If I produce it to become a cylinder, a prism, then I multiply by the height. The height is 4. Okay? Then the area will become 20 times 4 equals to 80. But it is not the whole prism.
Oh, it's a mix.
I want 1/3 of the whole volume. So end up it will be 80 divided by 3.
Okay, 6.6666.
Read the fraction.
Fraction, it will just be fraction will be 26 over 2/3.
Okay? So it is always 1/3 times the base area times the height. Just now when it was a square, we take base times height. Then this time, the base area is a right angle triangle, which I can just find half base times height. Also can find the base area. Okay? So, the volume is always 1/3 times base area times height. Volume.
Maybe so.
Yes.
I'm confused for what? Like the part where you did 20 times 4, then divide by 2.
20 is the base area. H is the height. So 20 times 4, then in the end divide by 3 lor, 1/3 times base times this thing. Sorry, I left out the 1/3. 1/3 base area times height.
Same.
Okay? In your exams, they never give you this one. Formula sheet never give you 1/3 base area times height. Your formula sheet got a very similar formula. What is a very similar shape to a pyramid?
Prism. No. Hexagon.
Also shape, also sharpen at the top one.
Circle.
When the base area is a circle,
Oh, cone.
cone.
Oh, I think you were correct.
Yeah. I'm a genius in disguise. Huh? What? Yeah, FK cone lah.
Can you all see the similarity?
Huh?
Okay? Then in your exam, they never give you the volume of a pyramid, but they got give you volume of cone. And volume of cone, they tell you 1/3 pi r square h. What is pi r square actually?
Pi is normal.
Pi r square is the area of a circle, ma. Okay? So actually from the volume of a cone,
What is cone?
this is
What is cone here, bro?
base area. Okay? So this information you will use until you Sec 4. They will give you this.
What is cone involved?
And pi r square is the base area because it's a circle. So if given this, I want this to become a volume of pyramid. I just change this to 1/3 base area times height. Like that already. Can. You know this is given to you. You just need to know this is actually your base area. Okay? The similarity between a cone and a pyramid. Then you don't need to remember this. But you can also remember by pyramid, triangle, so I divide by 3. Then base area times height. Okay? Can? Okay, next lesson we continue.